Yeah, so there back on next video. I did night routine. So stay tuned. Guys say maybe people will treat 2D now. Guys maybe he's sick. Yeah, so yeah, they don't know when explaining in the video when the video gets 7 views, more I can run it up and get it to 100 views. Yeah, so yeah, we are doing night routine, so I got paid, guys, I paid now, yeah, so stay tuned, remember to like, comment, share, subscribe, turn post notification, anytime of a new video. So, further ado, see you in the back. Now me I go ready right now, come and take up my clothes see, take up my clothes right now, come and put on my clothes in this a dryer, you see, so remember you know the thing come up on YouTube now, you see things set, like, comment, share and subscribe. Yeah, so I take out my underpants, my shirt now. Yeah, I'm one piece still. One thing, which one I shirt them should put on. Oh, piece. Just put on this midnight. Thing set. I'm gonna get a bathroom right now. What's up? One piece. Oi, 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 oi. Wala guys, wala. About that guys, I have to read the people guys that come down for me like whoa. So in the bathroom now, I put clothes on the so right so I go from the roller, I'm going to toothbrush and go back. I'm not gonna then get the toothbrush. So when I brush the teeth, like the door, things it. I got the manga say, thing go. So now me I go put the camera somewhere. You see it. So yeah, I know the whole yeah. So I'm put the camera somewhere so they can see me. Yes, now brush the teeth. Next one again. I know guys, so I got change the camera so hit the shower. Soon we'll be in a shower. Alright. Next step in a shower now. Step in a shower. I know. Give a rag. Give a rag and start the shower. There we go. So make it in the back. Skirt. I got done. Don't be dry off everything. So I come here, come out now. So boy fresh and clean there. Yeah, so if you do my routine. So thanks for watching. Don't subscribe. So soon, no one next video. Out.